Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick video recap of the homework for the week. So for reading, there are three readings you'll have to do, um, all of them relatively short. The first is Breaking My Own Silence, essay in the New York Times by a novelist named Min-Jin Lee. It's a super short, very beautiful essay that I think y'all will just enjoy reading. Um, the second is actually two short excerpts from different pieces about the research process. Um, should be, I think, 8 pages total, maybe a little less. And then an excerpt from an essay called How to Read Like a Writer by Mike Bunn. So probably all in all should be under 20 pages of reading. Um, but be sure to read thoroughly and take notes because part of your homework will be to turn in those notes in the poster notes assignment. So that's due by midnight on Monday. Just want you all to get that in by Monday so that you have time to focus completely on the creative annotated bibliography, which will be due by Tuesday night. Doesn't say so on this slide. And the informational interview is also due by Tuesday night if you are able to get that done. And if not, please communicate with me before that time. Ignore this thing about the academic integrity and plagiarism module. That's not something we're doing this week, maybe next week. I'm also doing optional meetings this week. We'll probably go back to required meetings next week so that I can make sure you all feel good about how you're progressing with your papers. I would say that if you have any doubts or concerns about your driving question, or you feel like you haven't checked in with me about it thoroughly, it might be a good idea to schedule a meeting because you don't want to go down a rabbit hole and then decide, oh, I want to change my question and do all this work over again. So just let me know. In the Canvas, you'll see here the optional meeting sign up with the link to the Google spreadsheet where you can sign up for meetings if you'd like to meet. Just try to do that by Thursday if you can, so I have a sense of what the schedule will be, but always feel free to reach out to me after that to schedule an appointment, even if it is outside of the availability that I have listed. Great. So as I mentioned, for the creative annotated bibliography, you should include a number of traditional sources, but you should also be sure to include an experiential source, which uses your own personal experience, even if it's only tangentially related to your topic, to explain why you're interested in this question and to shed some light on the question itself, as well as a creative source. So this could be a work of art, a novel, a poem, a film, a song, any creative product, any piece of art that you feel like speaks to you and to your question. And this may be a piece of art that you've known about for a long time, maybe like your favorite movie, or maybe something that you come across in your research. Okay, post your notes assignment. So basically for this, you'll be asked to go through your notes for all the readings and then organize them using the Cornell method and incorporate personalization and visualization into your use of the Cornell method for note-taking. So the Cornell method for note-taking basically is a system where you use primary topics or concepts on the left hand of the page, and you take your notes on the right hand of the page. It's all explained pretty thoroughly in the assignment on Canvas, which you can find here. And again, if you have any questions on this, just please don't hesitate to reach out, send me an email. Okay, that should be all. I hope everyone has a great week. Peace.